Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be answering 10 questions sourced from my friend, sharpened by AI. This is the ultimate K-fan rapid fire. No spoilers, let's go. So, the first question is, what's one song that's been stuck in your head on repeat this week? That one song would be Supernova by Chuni. It is literally an addictive song. It goes like, "All love is supernova." So let's move on to second question. Which was your first K-drama and how did you discover it? My first K-drama was Boys Over Flower, and I discovered it as one of my cousin came over and she had some K-dramas in her drive. She transferred those into my PC and I ended up watching Boys of Flowers one night, and I found the one episode very interesting and very different from the dramas we have seen in India. So that's how I ended up watching the whole series in one night, and the rest is history. So let's go to next question. What's that one song that you always put on in the background when you just need to relax? For this, I have one song in mind, and that would be Amateur by Mido and Fala Soul, and that's probably the OST of our Resident Playbook. I had many songs in before this, but currently Amateur is the one. So let's go to next question. Name an ideal smile that you think could literally light up a whole room. For this question, I had two idols in mind. First would be Jungkook of 80s and second is TK of 17. You know why I'm saying this. Let's move on to next question. What's one K-pop album where you genuinely love every single song on it? One K-pop album. This is hard. I got the answer. So it would be This Is Us by B2B, and I literally love Only One For Me and The Feeling the most. I still listen to it. Okay, let's go to next question. What's the last K-drama you finished that you would recommend to others? I have finished a lot of dramas, so I have to think. First one is Our Movie starring Namgung Min, and second would be Unwritten Soul. These two dramas are the best ones. You should watch it and let me know how you like it. So let's go to the next question. What is your all-time favorite K-drama that you can rewatch anytime and why? My all-time favorite K-drama would be, of course, Hospital Playlist. I scream Hospital Playlist, I breathe Hospital Playlist. It is one of the best dramas I have watched till now, and I can rewatch it anytime. Like literally, I rewatch it every year once or twice. And other than that, there's another drama called Be Melodramatic. I swear, it is one of the beautiful drama I have seen till now. So I must recommend it that you should watch. So let's go to next question. Is there a group you started standing from their debut that you are now really proud of? Yeah, there's one group I still stand and I started standing since their debut, and that's Mont. They have been doing wonders, and since they came to India, I have been there when I have attended their fan meet, and after that two of the members went to military, and they also participated in some survival shows and shining brightly, you know. So yeah, I'm really proud of Mont and I'm rooting for them always. So let's go to next question. What's a live stage or performance video you find yourself watching over and over again? If you know that I have watched Peak Time, the survival show, then let me tell you again. I literally watched daily the video of Team 7's Yabuseo and Team 23's Chumun Miratik. They are so good. If you haven't checked them out, you should go now. You are missing a big, beautiful and awesome thing. So let's go to next question. And I guess we have come to the last one, I guess. Yeah. So here's the last one. What's one small, simple thing happening in K-pop or K-dramas right now that's just making you really happy? Right now, what is making me happy? Okay. For K-pop, I'm loving the interactions of my favorites, like whether they are doing work together or whether they are doing challenges of their latest releases. So if I see my biases or my favorite idols together, I scream. Yeah, it's so good to see them together. And if I talk about K-dramas, then it would be my favorite actress doing dramas together. Ooh. I get so excited when I see familiar faces, and especially those faces whom I love the most. So yeah, these two things of K-pop and K-drama both are making me happy right now. So that's for today. I hope you like this video, and if there's anything you wanted to tell me or wanted me to improve, you can comment. And thanks for watching till now. Bye bye. Do subscribe.